Hello guys, big welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at a steelbook that I've had in my collection for a while now, and that's the Goonies. Right, if we start off by checking out the J card, as you can see, this is the 4K Ultra HD version. Comes with your standard Blu-ray as well. So we turn it over, check out the J card. Again, if you want to check this out in a little bit more detail, just give the video a pause. Right, so let's take this J card off. Right, so as you can see, this steelbook actually comes in a nice little out casing. As you can see, you've got that key thing that they found in the film. And as you can see, the Goonies is actually in gloss, so you can see the shine there. So again, nice little effect. I actually like the artwork on the front of this, it looks really good. All the characters there. Check out the side of it. Again, you've got the Goonies written on the side, which is gloss as well. And in the back, you've got the pirate ship. So yeah, I like the artwork on the slipcase. Let's check out the steelbook. You see the front. So I can't say I'm a fan of the artwork on this. Could have been better, I think. It's a bit plain. Again, it's nice that the writing's glossy against the matte background, so it stands out. But I just feel like a bit more effort could have gone into it. Check out the spine. Again, you've got the Goonies written on the side. Check out the back. Again, not much effort in the back either. So let's take a look in the inside. Take a look at the 4K disc first. No artwork, which is disappointing. You've got your standard Blu-ray. Again, no artwork. And then we can take a look at some artwork that's on the inside of the case. Let's put this back. So there you go guys, that was my quick unboxing of the Goonies. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment and hit the little bell to be notified for whenever I upload a new video. So again guys, thank you for watching.